In this video, we are going to unbox and have a thorough look at the build quality of the OnePlus 12R. Is the display quality good enough in terms of scratch resistance of the glass protection? And we will also test out the structural strength and integrity via the bend test. Mind you, this unit of the OnePlus 12R has already been unboxed 1 year ago and also scratch and bend tested an year back. So we will have a good idea if you may or may not buy last year's flagship OnePlus 12R right now in 2025 in terms of build quality. On a side note, the OnePlus 12R does at least feel sturdy in my usual trial bend. The front-facing camera has a 15.93 megapixel CMOS BSI sensor at f2.4 with digital image stabilization and 2.07 megapixel video at 60 fps. The camera system is of Hasselblad Technologies with a 50.18 megapixel Sony IMX890 main camera, CMOS BSI Plus sensor at f1.8 with both optical and digital image stabilization and video of 8.29 megapixel. The secondary camera is an 8 megapixel ultra-wide at f2.2 with a 12 degrees angle of view. The third camera is a macro at 2 megapixel with a shooting distance as close as 4 cm. Let's see if last year's standard of glass protection on the OnePlus 12R is still good enough for the year of 2025. The glass protection to mostly fail on the channel, as the regular viewers are already aware, are those from BBK which have been unnamed glass protections with absolutely no oleophobic coating, whereas the glass protections which survive almost always have been all Corning glass protections. The one to massively fail the dreaded steel blade in our last video was the new Corning Glass 7i on the recently tested Poco X7 Pro 5G. Will the Victus 2 protection and the glossy back glass still outperform the new Corning Glass 7i? It should survive in our opinion. Things look fine on both camera units and at the back, but we will call it a partial pass since there are a few blade abuse marks on the display side. Now on to fun stuff with value, the bend test, to know the actual real-life build quality of devices and to confirm if it suffers from any bend gate issues or not. Will the dual curved display survive the bend pressure? A slight bit of bend angle flex from the first display side bend. The curved display seems to be doing okay. Again, about the same amount of bend degree from the backside pressure. No signs of any cracks at the moment. The OnePlus 12R does a great job unlike the 11, which was a massive failure and passes the bend test. And as you can see, after a year or so, it is still doing great in terms of long-term longevity. Even in this year, you can definitely go for it for a lesser price.